We're still doing 2.4 linear equations. So if you're given an equation, you have to find the slope. So we have standard form, which looks like this. And then we have slope-intercept form. So you can see that m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay? So we have two different forms for linear equations. So here's an example. It says, find the slope of the lines. Okay. I can't see the slope. I can see the slope when it's in slope-intercept form, because m is the slope. It says, note, the lines are in standard form, and you must change them into the slope-intercept form by solving for y. So I need to make it y equals something x plus some number. So I'm just looking at this, and I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to get rid of my 12, get rid of my 2x, move that over, divide by 3, and now I have it in the slope y-intercept form. So the number that's in front of the x, that's the coefficient of x, that's my slope. So if I'm given the standard form of a function and it says find the slope, just solve it so it says y equals and take the number that's in front of the x, the coefficient, that's your slope. Okay, so let's do that together. So it says find the slope. It doesn't tell you to put it in slope-intercept form. You have to know that. So let's write it out bigger because my handwriting is bigger than the computer. So I want to get y by itself. So I'm going to get rid of the 12 and the 3x. Doesn't matter which one you do first. But see how they're opposite? They always have to be opposite to get rid of it. So now I'm left with 3x plus 2y equals 12. Get rid of my 3x. It's plus here, so I'm going to go minus 3x on both sides. Gone. So now I'm left with 2y. But stop. Don't write this one out the way you have it here. When it's in slope y-intercept form, you want the x term first. So write this one first. And because there's nothing in front of the 12, that really means it's a plus 12. So always write your x term before and your constant term after. So now I want to get y by itself. So divide by 2, same over same, but you have to divide everything by 2. So that's 1. So that's y equals negative 3 over 2. Put the x beside it, plus 6. So this is my slope. You can use m if you like, but that's your slope. Okay, let's do it again. Let's find the slope. So I'm going to get rid of my 10, do opposite. So if that's minus, that's going to be plus. Minus 4x, minus 4x, gone. So I left with minus 5y equals, careful, put the x term first. And if there's nothing in front of the 10, then it's a plus. So now get rid of this number in front of the y. So I'm left with y equals a negative, and a negative is a positive, so I have 4 over 5. And on my calculator, that would be 2. So this is my slope. I can use m if I want. There.